Why are soft close doors a smart choice for your kitchen? Dear friends, soft close kitchen doors and drawers are designed with a built-in damping system that slows movement before the door or drawer fully shuts. Unlike traditional hinges or runners that can slam shut, soft close technology prevents abrupt closures, reducing noise and wear over time. 1. Reduced noise for a calmer kitchen. A kitchen is often the busiest space in the home. Whether you're rushing to prepare meals or entertaining guests, constant slamming from doors and drawers can quickly become irritating. Soft close mechanisms eliminate this issue, making your kitchen a more peaceful place to cook, eat, and socialize. 2. Increased longevity for cabinets and drawers. The impact of doors and drawers slamming shut can cause wear and tear over time, leading to misalignment, loose hinges, and chipped finishes. Soft close technology minimizes strain on hinges and runners, keeping your cabinets in excellent condition for longer. If you're investing in a quality kitchen, soft close doors are an easy way to protect that investment. 3. Safer for families and busy households. Soft close doors and drawers are especially useful in family homes where young children may accidentally trap their fingers. The controlled closing mechanism ensures that doors gently glide shut rather than snapping shut unexpectedly. This small addition can make a big difference to safety in the kitchen. 4. Adds a touch of luxury and modern convenience. A kitchen should feel as good as it looks. The effortless motion of soft close doors adds a high-end feel to everyday use, making your space more refined and enjoyable. 5. Practical for open-plan kitchens. In an open-plan kitchen layout, noise control is particularly important. Since kitchens often connect to dining or living areas, having soft close drawers and doors helps maintain a relaxed atmosphere without disrupting conversations or leisure time. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more useful and interesting information, subscribe to Engineer Ajay Lod's channel, How to Make My House.